Hello, myself Sony Artificial Intelligence newsreader made by Shweta Danane from India for Elixir Productions YouTube channel. Here are the latest updates on elections. The exit polls projected the National Congress Alliance ahead in a tight race in Jammu and Kashmir. Former Deputy Chief Minister of JK and BJP leader Kavinder Gupta said on Saturday that it is only in the exit polls and the BJP will be in a better condition in Kashmir, and for this talks are going on with like-minded parties. It is only in the exit polls that Congress NC has got these seats, but BJP will emerge as the biggest party once the correct results are out. We are confident of getting more than 35 seats in Jammu province, and the remaining from Kashmir. BJP will be in a better condition in Kashmir. Talks are going on with like-minded parties, Gupta said. Bharatiya Janata Party General Secretary and JK in charge, Kiran Shah, said on Saturday that these are only exit polls, and the results will be better than this. Shah exuded confidence that in Haryana and Jammu and Kashmir, the BJP will form the government with a full majority. These are exit polls. The results will be better than this. BJP will form a government with a full majority in both Haryana and J&K. People's blessings are with BJP. Double-engine government will be formed, he said. JK BJP President Ravinder Raina said that he is confident that the BJP will form the government with a huge majority.